Hello and welcome to my channel Reality Technified by Steven. Talking about sustainable and efficient construction and looking forward to the requirements of keeping our earth green, today we will discuss about a very fresh new topic, that is about the green concrete. We all know the role and importance of construction material, that is cement, in the construction process. According to various reports, on an average about 25 to 30 billion tons of concrete is consumed every year in the construction process and about 3 billion tons of cement is consumed.
Cement is kind of the glue that holds concrete together, and concrete is used more than any other material on the planet other than water.
And with this very usage, about 3 billion tons of carbon dioxide is emitted into the atmosphere every year. Typically, concrete, acting as one of the pillars in the construction industry, plays a vital role in shaping our lives and the environment on daily basis. Summarizing the term concrete would read like a well-balanced mixture of coarse aggregates, fine aggregates, cement, water and admixtures. Conventional concrete has been helping people bond with structures. Somewhere around in 1998 in Denmark, the green concrete was first invented. But much like the conventional concrete, its manufacturing requires less energy, and as in the name, it emits less carbon dioxide, which shows it has less impact on the environment. Still, the question stands: is the green concrete green in color? No, green concrete has nothing to do with the green color. In fact, due to its advantage over the conventional concrete in protecting the environment from harmful carbon dioxide, this technology could be a spin in the near future. This technology could be used wherever necessary over the traditional concreting method. This concrete consists of glass, sawdust, slag, plant waste, mining waste, foundry sand, etc. And it could also reduce the use of aggregates and cement to a greater extent, as due to continuous mining the aggregates are getting scarce. So, using this technology of going green, like the United Nations suggest, and using the green concrete will stand beneficial for the future. The most common other advantages of green concrete over the conventional concrete is that it shows greater workability. The cement consumption in green concrete is lesser. Also, the compressive strength and tensile strength show better results, same as compared to the strength of the Marvel's fictional character, the Green Hulk. The green concrete can be best used in the column casting and in the road construction. Unlike other methods and materials, few limitations may be possible in the green concrete, but it is necessary to be adapted in the future for sustainable and efficient construction. As rightly said by Sandy Wiggs, green building is not about buildings, it is more about the people. The future scope of the green concrete is vast in India and also globally, not only because it is economical, but the waste could be disposed in a much greater cause.
It's time for you humans to stop making excuses and start making changes. Thank you.
I hope you like my today's video. Thank you for watching. For more such amazing videos, stay tuned to my channel. Do like, share and subscribe.